Alright, so Lauren got this inflatable boat with her health insurance points, and we're gonna test it out. It's sinky.
The oars are so tiny.
Yeah, they're not good. We should get real oars.
Greetings, fellow Earthlings. My name's Jake, and welcome to Dangerous Naturist, a channel that takes you all over the US on amazing nature adventures. You may have seen the video from a couple weeks ago of me and Dalton exploring the cave. Believe it or not, this was actually filmed the same day. Apparently, we hadn't had enough adventure, so Dalton and his wife Alex were going to show us a new cliff jump spot and a waterfall they had found previously while exploring the lake on their paddleboards. Normally I'm weary of inflatable boats, but they can be a cheap alternative to a canoe if you don't have the money or the space. The first spot they showed us was an awesome cove with limestone overhangs and a neat little waterfall. I'm guessing the waterfall is a bit more prevalent at wetter times of the year, but it's still an incredibly beautiful area. Barefoot shoes for the win! This boat floats on 3 separate air chambers, so theoretically, if you get a hole in one, you should be okay. Testing it on the lake was the safest bet, but if you want to see me take it through something a bit more risky, leave a comment and let me know. And without further ado, a new little cliff jump spot to be added to the adventure journal.
Wow, this is a nice little platform, huh? I touched. Yeah, but it wasn't bad. You can throw it down to me.
I was gonna jokingly say that, but I only drink a little water. Sounding like it hurt. That was very simultaneous.
Ooh.
If you have any questions about the boat or anything, feel free to leave a comment. I'm going to leave an affiliate link to where you can find the boat on Amazon. I'd recommend getting a real kayak, paddleboard, or canoe. But like I said before, if you lack the budget or space, it's not a terrible buy. As always, enjoy the great outdoors, leave it better than you found it, and thanks for adventuring with Dangerous Naturists.